Jesus Christ, done. The man I go back to TJ. What TJ want to say? Done, no. Rebel stop him. Jesus Christ.
When you hear that, my viewers, so Friday night was Rebel birthday celebration at mass camp, and the man them box down Moya and tap up in a TJ head like floor mat. So no, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit about. So no, drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you don't know subscribe yet. So my viewers, here we are going today. Denham Town Councillor drop out. Killy gets 7 years at Turks and Caicos. And Constable man Jermaine Graham dead. So before me jump into the reason I'm gonna know where I go on, pre this.
No, Jesus Christ, I'm doing that. Watch out the box. Get the box. Moya done. Moya. Angela B for TJ. Angela B for TJ. Moya, watch out. Angela B for TJ. Robinson, Angela B for TJ.
When you hear that, my viewers, so Friday night was Rebel birthday celebration at mass camp. And nobody not talk about chronicler performance. Nobody not talk about high water. Everybody a talk about TJ and Moya. The big fight will take place where we see man a tap up in a TJ head and a man box down Moya brawling. And me know no just hear what the woman say in the video, you know. The woman a say it's allegedly say Romiech make man violate the woman and her man. I could have caused this. We no see say everybody our friend. We no see everybody pan the media laugh up with them one another and support them one another. We never know say them a pre them one another. Say them a enemy. Till see it you know. Where I hear say Romiech make man violate TJ and Moya. Box down Moya pan video and a tap up in a TJ head. I could have what TJ do. And where Moya say where Romiech no like and send man for violate them. See, boy, my people, that's why war, crime and violence can't stop, boy. Because everywhere we go with, we look at foolishness and we look at nonsense. Look there. I mash up rebel thing, you know, neatly, you know, and them they ever see that, you know. So, my viewers, no walk with me. See the Denham Town Councillor, yeah, Jermaine Hyatt will drop out after him feel away and them carry him to the hospital. And the doctor them a say, Jermaine Hyatt heart failing. Jaja Father God. What me always tell you no say. Nobody no know when of them last time on earth, you know. Only Father God, you know. I don't think Father God a come make no man know say tomorrow you go drop out. You have to prepare yourself. The thing no work, so that's why every day when me see the youth them boy walk up and down with cup and spliff in their mouth, them they even know say slowly but surely them a kill off themselves. And them they even know that. Them always a talk about health is wealth. And enough man boy they even not take care of them health. So see me my people, the Denham Town Councillor, Jermaine Hyatt, my condolences to him family them. So we're gonna move on to the next topic you know. Where we see Andre D'Souza, aka Killy, get 7 years in a Turks and Caicos for gun charge and immigration violations. See there, anywhere where we Jamaican go, we can't keep ourselves calm. We can't just do a normal 9 to 5 and work in what we in anybody country and just be a good citizen. We have to always run round with matic in our hand. We have to always push jugs. Always do a bag of thing. So see me my people, 7 years them give my Turks and Caicos. So no walk with me again. Where we see Constable man, Jermaine Graham. Viewers, Jermaine Graham there at the police station at Papine and say him feel away and them carry him to the university hospital. And later down, Friday night, man drop out me tell you no. Everybody I wonder if I poison the constable man or I could have walk on me I tell you no. I want to make so much people a drop out boy and nobody can no warm to them. Some of them heart I feel them. Some of them just feel sick and just turn over so. I what really I go on my people. Suck me you know. Kind of the constable man your case. The police them say them are going to investigate, you know, and see where go on, you know. So as when I say my people, nobody knows them last time on earth. Only Father God. And you think Father God a come whisper in no man ears and make you know say tomorrow you go drop? The thing no work so. So take care on the health youth. Protect on the 3 points of road. Cause nothing no nice like life. Remember that. So until next time.